Hello guys, welcome back to my channel InhouseERP. I am going to show you how to use forget password functionality at IFMS module. Let's start. Thank you. First, click on forget password. Click button. Enter your official mail ID. Then click on submit button. Secret code will send to your registered email ID. Now check your email ID. Here you received the secret code. Now put this new code in text box. New password in another text box. Click on submit button. Your password will be updated. Log in through your registered email ID and new password and click on submit button. Now you successfully log in the portal. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thanks.